So we are here today with Wolfgang, and I think we're both very happy
Yes, yes.
because Wolfgang just bought this week a fantastic apartment in Barcelona. We're on the terrace here,
Yes.
overlooking the old part, the medieval part of Barcelona, with a glass of cava. And Wolfgang, I think you wanted to share a bit your story, how it started with a dream to have something in Barcelona. And
Yes.
now you have your dream here.
My pleasure, my pleasure. And I still cannot believe it. We just had this Monday we had the appointment at the notary, and after all this time that I've been dreaming of this, of having a foot in Barcelona, it actually happened, and it's just amazing. I'm super grateful because this dream I've been having for years actually, and I wouldn't really know what steps to follow to make it a reality. So I found this flat here where we're sitting on, and that was the first step, and that's all I know. That I would like to have an opinion about it and what to do to maybe purchase it if it's worth it.
I remember you called me and you said, I've seen a great apartment.
Exactly.
And I'm not sure, what do you think? Do you think it's a good apartment?
Exactly, and I still remember the very day it was and where it was, because I was here at the Estadio de Francia. And then, so this is how I found you and Inspire, which was great for me because from that point on I would not have known at all, and now I know better than back then, what to do step by step and what has to be done to avoid the dangers that occur, and what to do properly to have it easy going. And the first thing was your opinion, which was very important for me about the flat itself.
Mm-hmm.
Then next step, for example, making the negotiations, which was good for me too, because it's not my, I'm an artist, I'm not good in negotiating. And
that's where Anna comes into play.
Exactly. It's a great team, and so step by step, like doing homeworks, you told me what to do, what's the next step. I was always fully informed, and ending up here last Monday, we had a notary date, and we sit here and have this glass of cava, where it can't go wrong also, and I cannot say thank you often enough. From the bottom of my heart.
It's a pleasure
Thank
being
you
working with you. And
my pleasure.
we'll celebrate it tonight.
Let's do that.